Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to remove face lock in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to remove face lock, you want to use face lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to use face lock setting, how to remove face lock in Tecno mobile. First of all guys, we will turn on Tecno mobile setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, how to remove face lock. Scroll down here. Tap on your phone security setting. After turn phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile security update, you can check find my device setting you want to on. So you can on your find my device setting, password and biometric setting friends. If you click here fingerprint lock setting, enter your lock screen password. Tap here add fingerprint lock. You can add fingerprint lock in your Tecno mobile and you can use fingerprint lock setting in Tecno mobile. Face unlock setting friends, we will tap here, enter your password. You have pattern, so draw your pattern. Open your phone face lock setting, delete face, tap here, face lock will remove. So friends, you can unlock your mobile without face lock. Face lock will remove, enter your password, phone will unlock. Again tap on your phone face lock setting, enter your password. After enter password, face option, next option, again show your face. Again you want to use face lock setting in your mobile, so you can add your face data and then you can unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock. Show your face. After show face, done option, tap here. So friends, you can see again you want to unlock your mobile, show your face, phone will unlock, enter password, phone will unlock. Friends, again open your phone security setting. Friends, we will not open face unlock setting. You have face lock data, tap on your screen lock, enter your lock screen password. Friends, if you turn off your lock screen password friends, you can see face lock notification is not here, but if you tap here, automatic your face lock and your lock screen password will remove. So once you want to remove your lock screen password, so you can remove, but after remove your face lock will remove automatic. And you want to remove only face lock, so once open your phone face lock setting, select your face lock data and you can remove your face lock. After remove face lock, you can unlock your mobile with your pin password, pattern password. Face lock setting you cannot use in your Tecno mobile. Enter password, phone will unlock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.